What's up, everybody? Suck it, traffic. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today I'm with myself because I have no friends. Just kidding. My mom's my friend. I think I'm going to upload this video on a Wednesday because on Wednesday I will be back at college and going to my first classes, doing all that first week of school nonsense. So yeah, that'll be fun, and by fun I mean totally boring. There's my old high school. You boys ever licked a jar of mayonnaise clean? I have. Oh no, traffic. Ugh. I'm wearing jeans over my shorts right now, and I think I put them on weird because like they feel super tight, and they're not. And they never feel like this, but it feels like I'm wearing skinny jeans right now. Really uncomfortable. Especially when I try to put my foot down. If you know what I mean. Yo, that is a green arrow. Go, my dude! Go! I will kill you and your family. Oh, look, I'm gonna run this light. I don't know why you gotta do that to me. Let me just stop at this green light. And then there's this idiot. Oh God, what are we doing? Look, I can critique you all day, people. I got nothing but critiquing time. Anyway, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I'll be back at school and, you know, starting college again, but I'll be home like most, if not all weekends, and I don't know, I'll be going to car shows and riding around, so yeah, I can still do normal stuff, I guess. I really hate this school traffic. It makes me want to beat people up with a sword constructed entirely of human teeth. Oh yeah, check out these sick dance moves, fam. Oh yeah, now to the left, to the right. Bring it back now, y'all. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. What a beautiful day. I see all these people with their windows rolled down. I wish I could roll my windows down. Kidding. Bikes don't have windows, silly. And don't you forget it. Saw it. Honestly, I have no idea what this video is about. I just wanted to make something to tell you guys I'm in school again, and then also yell at people and do random things. So there you go. I hope you enjoy this content, because if you don't, I'm gonna go home and cry myself to sleep like I do every other night. Nice Celica, loser. Danger, that's not very nice of you. Shut up, nerd. I'll eat your breakfast. It's like one of the most awkward threats. I'll eat your breakfast. Like, what? Are you now? I still want to make a bike trick video where all I do is sit on my bike and do poorly done magic acts, I guess is what they're called. I'm gonna do that one day. You'll see. Oh, that smells so terrible. I don't know what died there the other day, but it still smells like death. I would say this is like a shower thoughts video, but I feel like my shower thoughts are actually productive random. And like when I'm on the bike, it's just like not productive at all, actually. Bro, I'm so hungry right now. I didn't really have lunch. I gotta get food in my body. I'm gonna go get a little snacky snack and then go off to dinner. Anyway, I'm gonna try to keep this video short. I try to keep all of them short, but it never works, and that's still not fixed. But I hope you guys have a good old day. I guess I'll catch you guys next time I'm available to make a video, and I'll record stuff on this here GoPro. Also, I have t-shirts for sale. Go to my description, look at my Teespring link, buy a t-shirt. That's like the only way you can support me, because I don't make money off YouTube. Oh wow, that was close. What do you... Oh God, I hate people so much. It's a simple four-way stop and everyone's like, what do I do? I'm just gonna go. So I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Always remember, hit that like button or I'll throw punch your family dog. Just kidding, I wouldn't do that. I like dogs. Oh, these white lines smell so good.